Child, hear my heart. My love for you is eternal and unshakable. I gave my life so that you could experience freedom, forgiveness, and the fullness of life with me. My sacrifice on the cross was not because of your perfection, but because of my unwavering love. I see your struggles, your sins, and your fears, and I still love you without condition. Nothing can separate you from my love, not pain, not mistakes, not time, not death. Let this love anchor you, guide you, and fill you with hope. Walk boldly, knowing that I am with you and that my love never fails. Every heartbeat, every breath, every prayer is proof of my devotion to you. You are cherished, chosen, and forever mine. Believe in my eternal love and rest in the truth that I died for you.